everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of Vlogmas. Can't believe I'm getting my days confused and it's not even past 10 days yet. But today is day 7 and I am here with my mother. Mom, say hi.
Hello.
Also, I have acne patches on my pimples right here and right here. So we're just chilling in our living room right now. She's doing work. So my mom had surgery 3 weeks ago and it wasn't anything like serious or anything like that, but she has to rest for 4 weeks and she's about to come up on her 4th week, and I, being the good daughter, have been helping her out during the weekdays. I am such a good helper, huh?
Great.
Why you gotta say it like that? I am a good helper. I have been helping her out. Okay, like my mom wakes up at 8 o'clock in the morning and 8 o'clock in the morning to do some work, and I wake up at the same time and I prepare her breakfast. She likes Earl Grey tea. I fix that for her. And anything else, like she has to take medications to help with her pain, I do that. I think the hardest part for me is waking up at 8 a.m. because I am not a morning person at all. Like, I wish I was a morning person, and I probably sent out to the universe that I wanted to be a morning person, and this is what I get. So yesterday and the other day, I had a little dilemma with my videos, uploading my videos onto YouTube. Whenever I would upload a video onto YouTube, it would take me like 6 hours, sometimes 8 hours to upload my videos. When I would upload them at nighttime, it will only go up like 5%, sometimes 10%. But it would take a very long time for me to upload my videos onto YouTube, and sometimes it will affect the Wi-Fi around the house. So I uploaded one of my Vlogmas videos the other day, and it was like, I think, the 12-minute video, and of course it took like 8 hours to upload. And it only uploaded 30 seconds, no, I think 27 seconds of my video. I was very pissed off because I would have to upload it during the daytime, and then I would have to hear my parents' mouths about like the Wi-Fi lagging and all that stuff like that, and it was gonna take another 6 hours to do so. I was like, I re-uploaded the video praying that it wasn't gonna happen again, and it didn't happen again, luckily. Until yesterday, when I uploaded my Vlogmas video for yesterday, it did the same thing. It cut my video down to 30 seconds when it was a 10-minute video, and I was confused. I was in confusion. I was like, what is going on? My dog wants to go outside, but there's someone working on a backyard, so we can't let the dogs outside. Anywho, so I did some research on why this is happening to my videos, and I found a whole bunch of forums of people that had the same situation as me, but none of them were very helpful because they never seemed to fix the problem. I seen one comment about someone saying to check your export settings, but it was for Premiere Pro, and I don't use Premiere Pro, I use Final Cut Pro. I went back to that comment, and then that made me think that I should check my exporting settings. So I looked at my exporting settings, and I seen that my videos were being compressed to Apple ProRes 4.222, and I normally would have my exporting settings at H.264, which is the best type of settings to export your videos on. So I exported my video as H.264. I don't know if that's the right name because I'm just thinking on top of my head right now. And I re-uploaded my videos. It took me 30 minutes to upload my YouTube video, and I was shooketh because this whole entire time it will take me 6 to 8 hours to upload my videos because I didn't have the right exporting settings done. But I think the reason why that was happening is because I got a new laptop, and with that I had to get the trial version of Final Cut Pro, because on my old laptop it was a much older MacBook Pro, so that way I was able to use an older Final Cut Pro that I dragged from my school's computer instead of purchasing it. It didn't work on my newer laptop, so I downloaded the trial version, and I've been using the trial version since like June, because I finessed a way for me to keep it without me having to change my email address for every month or every 14 days. I'll be talking about that in a different type of video. But now I'm so much happier that I figured out why my videos was taking so long to upload, and hopefully that fixed the whole cutting down my video time from YouTube. Or if it did it again, I wouldn't even be that upset, because now it only takes like less than 30 minutes to upload my videos. So also, my package came in today. I ordered some stuff from Shein, and part of the stuff that I did order is for a Christmas gift for someone. But I got these scrunchies just because I wanted to be part of the trend, even though my hair is short and I'm planning on cutting it shorter. But I still wanted to be a trendy girl. I wanted to be part of the trend, okay? And then I also got this black crop top shirt because I needed a new black crop top shirt, because the one I got from Brandy Melville is pretty busted.
You keep calling. I think that I have had enough. So what are you explaining? Before you never said too much. I've been there, no questions. I wrote for you. Was patient, I learned my lesson, not to wait on you. You keep running to me, then you push me away. Used to ignore it, but I can't anymore. Tell you get out my face, but I want you to stay. Want to forget you, but I can't. When it's good, baby.
So I did some online Christmas shopping, and I'm not done yet. I still need to find a couple more gifts. But then my stomach started hurting, so I made me some mint tea with some honey in it, and now I feel a little bit better now. So I think I'm going to straighten up around my room, because it's kind of bothering me that everything's so misplaced and so messy.
Highs to lows, yeah. Highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows.
There we are.
Yeah. Can't say I've been doing okay. And I can't wait to really get paid, not just minimum wage. Yeah, they gold on my hoops, real rips in my pants. They think it's all Gucci, but it's 99 cents, I swear. Yeah, I swear. Ooh, you wanna help me? Ooh, you wanna fly me out to LA? Dreams you wanna sell me? I took a bite, that's a go play, a go play. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. Real diamonds, I want them, but I can't find them. Timing, he said it's just bad timing. Lying, all I got from you was silence. No gold on my neck, no O's on my check. I swear. Who you wanna help me? Ooh, you wanna fly me out to LA? took a bite, that's a go play, a go play. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows. Yeah, I'm not okay these days. Dreams come and go. I stay. J'ai du mal à m'exprimer, mais j'essaie. I was alone when I fell. Where did you go? Pas de nouvelles. J'ai beaucoup de mal de cœur, mal de cœur. Save me, now you wanna save me. Save me, now you wanna save me. I go from highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. I go from highs to lows. Highs to lows.
Tu sais, la vie est pleine de hauts et de bas. Mais sans les bas, les hauts ne veulent rien dire.
So this is what the cake looks like. It's very dried out and I put some fruity pebbles in it. So hopefully it'll taste good. If not, then it was only like $2 from Starbucks. So now I'm just gonna eat the cake in the mug, watch some Riverdale, and edit this video. And I really hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
It's so high.